All right, in this lesson, we're going to talk about evaluating algebraic expressions. And you'll recall in the previous lesson that we simplified some very basic algebraic expressions. So this would just be the next step. So we evaluate an algebraic expression by replacing the variable, or sometimes variables, in our expression with the given values, and then we just simplify. So for example 1, we want to evaluate x plus 3 for x equals 7. So again, this evaluate word is just telling me to find the value for x plus 3 when x equals 7. So all I need to do is plug a 7 in for x here, and then just simplify. So if I plug a 7 in for the x there, I'm going to have 7 plus 3, and 7 plus 3 equals 10. So if I were to evaluate x plus 3 for x equals 7, I get an answer of 10. So you have to pay close attention here because I'm going to tell you something that's really important. The value of this algebraic expression is not 10. It's 10 when you let x equal 7. But if we were to say let x equal, let's say 9, well, I'd be plugging a 9 in for x and I get 9 plus 3 and that equals 12. So you see that the value of this algebraic expression changes as we change the value for the variable. So that's an important concept. All right, let's